Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMGen. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a face-based family in Revit. Here I will explain from beginning to end how to create a face-based family and how to select right family template and right category, and at the end we will load that family into project to check how it will work. Before that one we will discuss what is face-based family. A face-based family in Revit is a type of family that can be placed on any face of the model, such as we can place that family on a face of wall, roof or ceiling or any equipments that have a plain face. This flexibility makes our work easy. Let's start by creating a new family. Here I did open Revit software. First we'll start by creating a family. To create a family, I'll go to here family section and I'll open a new family. Here it's asking for a family template. If you want to create a face-based family, there is no right template for each category. You can see here, if I want to create an electric fixture, we can see here ceiling base is there, wall base is there, and normal metric electric fixture is there. But you cannot find face base. If you go to any category, you cannot find any face base. Here also lighting fixture is there, ceiling base and wall base. There is no face base. For that one, we will get only one option here. In metric generic model, you can see here face base. First we have to select a metric generic model face base template. I will select this one and I will open that template. Now you guys can see here in property browser, family category generic model. Think suppose we are creating electric fixture or light fixture, we can change the category. Now I will show how to create a face base family under electric fixture. For that one, I will change first category. In left side top corner, you can see here category, family category is there. Just click on that one. Select the category you want to assign. Just I will select here electric fixture and I will click on OK. Now you guys can see here change family category into electric fixture. Now we are in reference level. You can see here from property browser. Just I will go to 3D to show how it will look. You will select on 3D view. This is a face. We'll make it solid. This is a face. We have to create our model and this will be act as a face-based family in projects. So I will go to again reference level and I will create a simple extrusion model. For that I will go to extrusion and I will select a drawing tool and I will draw a rectangular and I will click on escape button and I will assign a simple parameter to this box. For that I will go to annotate tab and I will select align and I will click from this end to this end and I will click outside here. Similarly for these two lines, I will assign annotate from this line to this line and I will click outside here. Now I will assign parameter for these two dimension. I'll click on that one and I'll go to create a new parameter and I will assign it as a height and I will keep it as an instant parameter and I'll click on OK. Similarly, I will assign a parameter for this dimension. Again, I'll go to create new parameter and I will name it as a width. For this also, I will give instant parameter and I'll click on OK. Now we assigned both height and width parameter for this box. Assume this is electric box and I will click on OK. Now I will go to any one of the elevation view to check whether it is clashing with the face or not. I will select front view. You can see it's not clashing exactly on face only, so no issue. Now we provided two dimensions, one is height and width. Now I will provide depth for this box. Again I will go to another tab and I will select align tool and I will select from this face to just hit tab from your keyboard to select that face and from here to here. And click outside OK here. For this also I will assign a parameter and I'll go to create new parameter and I will name it as a depth. This one also I will give instant and I will click on OK. Now we provided all three parameters, width, depth and height. Now our face-based family is ready. Just I will save this one as a family and I will load into the project to check how it will work. Just I will go to file and I will save it as a family. Here I will select electric fixture folder and I will name it as a face-based electric fixture and I will click on save. Now I will open a basic project to load this family. I will go to open a file. Open project. I will open this project. Now we did open basic architectural file. I will just move this project browser to right side. Now I will go to family file. I will select reference level and I will load this family into project. You can see here this is a face-based electric fixture. I will load this family into architecture file. Just I'll go to here load into project. Now we are in project file. Here I will select electric fixture. For that one I'll go to here system and I'll select here under device electric fixture. Now you can see I'm selecting this wall face, so I can place this electric fixture here. Similarly, just select that electric fixture and right click on that one. Select create similar option and you can place here this wall, floor also, and you can place on ceiling also. We can place this family on any face and we can avoid clashing. This is all about how to create a face based family. Here I created a basic rectangular electric box and I load into the project. We can do complex models also. I will show by loading some other families also that already have been created. Just I'll go to here insert and I will load those family into project and I will show. Here we have a light family fixture. Just I'll select that family and I will just load into the project. Now I loaded that light fixture into family. To place that family, just I'll go to system here and I will select lighting fixture and I can place on this wall face. You can see here this lighting fixture family, which is also face based family. Similarly, I will load another family. For that one again I will go to insert tab and load that family into project. Here I will select electric fixture and here one switch is there and I will load this also face based family. I will load this family into project. To place that family, again I will go to system here and I will select electric fixture under device tab. I will select electric fixture from here and I will place on a wall. You can see here a switch with a receptacle. This is also face based. You can place multiple by creating similar. You can place on any floor also. You can place on ceiling also. You can place on this electric fixtures also. Because this is a face base, it will take any face. You can place on window also and we can place these fixtures on any face. This is all about how to create a face based family. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so you guys can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. Thank you.